tonight, yes, the Dow Jones went 950 points straight down. And I'm bringing it up on the weekly so that everybody can see now the Dow is in trouble because I can tell you why. It has a daily sell signal. It didn't have it till today. Okay, my friends. So that's not good for the bulls. Now, we broke below the 10-week. Now, the real major one is the 20-week, which is the pink line. And now we're sitting on a 50-week moving average. And I had alerts down there. And then the real big one is going to be the 100-week moving average if we test it down here. And then, of course, the real biggest one is going to be the 150-week moving average down here. So, once again, everybody, this is what I was talking about, that it was coming. And we had a dark cloud, and we had a doji, and then here's that monthly, and this is a weekly, I mean, and then down with the weekly, and then today, and we said this last night, and so there will be some good stuff off of the bottom for the bulls, and there will be. We will get oversold, and we'll bounce. We'll get through the election. The virus in Europe had a big thing to play with it, my friends. Earnings have been coming in and extreme volatility. I couldn't have said it more and more about this quarterly reporting session and how manipulative it really is. And but we do have some good news. Coronavirus, Europe really was under fire. And we talked about the election period and whatnot, and how this bear move really happened hardcore. And it did. And so now we're not dealing with the same Dow any longer because we have broken down technically now. It's got good support right here at the moment on the weekly, thank goodness. Now, on the daily, though, we're right coming down here where the major moving average that this thing could test would be the 150-day, which is down here. But tomorrow morning we'll open up with the gap open up, and be careful about the gaps when they open up because more sellers could still come in. Now, let's hope tomorrow with all the great earnings, Facebook, Amazon, Google, and we get some traction because it's going to take the tech sector to run this thing back up. So, once again, the fear, risk off, not risk on. And then we have all the headlines that are going against this bull run. And so before, the headlines were very accommodative. Let's take a look at it on a monthly Dow Jones together, my friends. And yes, just what I thought. I can tell you right here, right now, on this monthly chart, we are sitting on up here 150-month moving average. We can't break below that. This is the reversal confirmation. There's the September selling, and then October to come back to back to land at the most crucial support level. And that's right there. So let's hope we don't start breaking these monthly moving averages. I mean, the weekly and the dailies should give us some support for a while. And on the daily, we're going to get oversold, and we are. So that's the good news. Getting oversold. So, hang in there. I know it's hard to be a retail trader. I know it's hard. But we're here for you. That's why we do what we do. We do it for all of our traders, and then we do it for innocent people like you that may be watching. The reason why we do the uploads is to upload everybody in our ecosystem. But nonetheless, hey, we're here. We're willing to make a difference. If you want to make a difference, we'll make a difference. Believe me, we will. And believe me, this relationship will be better than others that you've ever had.